Hello students, today I am going to take up the third part of class 9th mathematics. It is second chapter is compound interest, and in that compound interest we will deal with the growth and depreciation, questions of growth and depreciation. So what is the meaning of growth? Growth means increase in something with time. Increase in something with time is referred as growth. For example, population, it increases with time. Your weight will increase with time. Your height will increase with time. Height of the plant, that will increase with time. So those things are said to grow. That is referred as growth. Similarly, depreciation. Depreciation means it is the decrease in something. It is the decrease in something with time. Something will decrease with time. For example, population is growing. Population is growing. For example, the cost of any vehicle, cost of any machinery, that will decrease with time. Suppose if you purchase a car at rupees 6 lakh, so after 2 years its cost will be lesser than the 6 lakh. It's clear? So in that case the cost is depreciating, it is decreasing. So it is decrease and it is increase. Growth means increase, depreciation means decrease. Now if this growth and depreciation take place at a constant rate, at a compound way, in a compound way, it's clear, in a cumulative way, then how will you find the cost of any vehicle after any years? So here, as you know that in the compound interest you have used this formula, A equals to P1 plus R upon 100 whole to the power n. It's clear. Here P is the original sum, it becomes equals to A after n years at this rate of interest per annum if compounded annually. If compounded annually, this principal, this amount becomes equals to A after n years at the rate of R if compounded annually. It's clear? So we will change the symbols here. Here in place of V, P, we will take V naught. In place of A, we will take V. It is 1 plus R upon 100 whole to the power n. Means this is the original value. V naught means original value. V means value after n years. It's clear? This will be the value after n years at this rate when the original value was V naught. Original value is V naught. It will become V after n years if it is increasing at a rate of R compounded annually. So this is the formula of growth. It is the formula of growth. It's clear? Here the value after n years. This is the original value. It's clear? Suppose if there is depreciation, formula will remain same, only the rate will become negative. In place of increasing, there will be the decrease. Therefore, rate will become negative. And when rate will become negative, so V naught 1 minus R upon 100 whole to the power n means V naught will become equal to V after n years if the value is depreciating, decreasing at this rate. It's clear? Now, if I ask that which value comes earlier, V is coming earlier or V naught is coming earlier? So, V naught is the value of beginning year and V is the value of later year. मतलब जो 2 years की वैल्यू दी होगी उसमें जो बिगिनिंग वाली स्टार्टिंग में जो ईयर आएगा दैट विल बी V naught एंड V विल बी द वैल्यू आफ्टर n years means it will be of the later year. V will be the value of later year. This you will remember V naught is the value of the beginning year, V is the value of latter year. It's clear? Suppose two values are given, one is of given 2019 and other is of given, other you have to find 2022. एक 2019 की वैल्यू दी है, year this, and you have to find the value in 2022. So its value will be V naught and its value will be equal to V. It's clear? So all of you keep this thing in the mind. Then the value which is of the beginning year, that will be V naught. The value which is of latter year, that will be V. Now we will see the questions. So you see the question exercise 2.3. Now I am going to do this. How will you decide which formula will be applicable? So that will depend upon the growth or decay. If the value is growing, then formula plus means this formula. If the value is decreasing, then this. Now see here question number, you can see here something is fallen, so we will see that afterwards. Now question number 3. If you see question number 3, 1 and 2 are of question same as 3. So question number 3. The population of a city increases each year by 4% of what it had been in the beginning of each year. Means here rate is given 4%. Population is increasing by 4% of what? Which is in the beginning of the year. Every year it increases by 4% of what? Which is in the beginning of year. So the population of city increases each year by 4% of what it had been at the beginning of each year. If the present population is given this, present population is 676, this is given. You have to find the population 2 years hence. Population 2 years hence. Now hence means बाद में. Present is given this. This is the present population. Means in 2020 this is the population. And you have to find population 2 years hence means in 2022. It's clear? In 2022 you have to find the population. This for our sake we are writing. Present means 2020 because this is the year 2020. And you have to find the population of this year. It's clear? Now here which value comes earlier? So this value, this year comes earlier, so this is of the beginning year, so this you will take V naught. V naught equals to 676 000 not 40. V you have to determine. R equals to 4%. Here you will use the formula plus or minus. So it is already given that the population is increasing. Here in the question it is given it is increases by 4%. It's clear? So you will use the formula plus. So from first formula, from V equals to V naught 1 plus R upon 100 whole to the power N. So you have to correctly recognize the values of V and V naught. Means which value is given and which you have to find. क्या दिया है और क्या हमको find out करना है. So you can see here V equals to V naught is 676. 1 plus in place of R you can write 4 upon 100 whole to the power. There will be how many years? You can say 2 years. N equals to 2 years. So this. So simplify here. 4 1 ja 425. This I am writing in the next step directly. 67640. 1 plus 1 upon 25, that is 26 upon 25 whole square. So when you will simplify 676, this it is 676 upon 625. So now I am going to calculate by calculator. In order to save the time, I am doing by this way. Saving 6. So it is saving 311616. So you don't write rupees because this is the population. So what will be the answer? Population after 2 years equals to 7311616. It's clear. Calculation you can check, there will be correct calculation. Now see the second part of this. Population 2 years ago. Here population 2 years ago. Now you can see here 2 years ago means this is the present in 2020. 2 years ago means you have to find in 2018. 2018 पे क्या population थी, that you have to find. Now which year comes earlier? So this comes earlier. पहले ये year आएगा फिर वो आएगा. Means this value is V naught and that value is V. It's clear? Means now V is given and you have to determine V naught. We have to determine V naught. N equals to 2 years. It is clear? The year which comes earlier, that value will be V naught. और जो year बाद में आएगा उसकी value V होगी. So now it will become V and it will become V naught you have to find. So you substitute here. So this you have to correctly recognize V and V naught. Now substitute the value, formula will remain same because the formula decides from where? It decides whether it is the question of growth or decay. If it is growing, then this formula. It is clear? If it is depreciating, then this formula. It is clear? So you will keep this thing in mind. So here V is given how much? V naught 1 plus 4 upon 100 whole to the power 2. So directly I am writing because already simplified in the previous step. So this will become equal to 676 V naught upon 625. This is. So what is V naught? Into 625 upon 676. So this will be equals to 625 this. So this is the population in 2018. 2 years ago it was this. So what will be the answer? You will write population 2 years ago. That is 625 this. This is the population 2 years ago. So by this way you will do. Now you see one more question. Now see here, question number 5. Dinesh purchased a scooter for rupees 24,000. The value of a scooter is depreciating at the rate of 5% per annum. Depreciating means now you will use this formula. It's clear? 5% every year. It is not depreciating at the rate of 5% per annum. Calculate its value after 3 years. Value after 3 years. It's clear. So suppose he has purchased in 2020. Then it means you have to find the value of 2023. It's clear. This thing you will keep in your mind. This you will not show here in the working process. In the solution you will not show. in order to decide whether which value will be V, which value will be V naught, you think in terms of the year. So he has purchased at 24,000. So suppose he has purchased in 2020. Means now you have to find a value after 3 years, means 2023. It's clear? Here it is depreciating, therefore we will apply this formula. So which year comes earlier? So this comes earlier. So this value will be V naught. And you have to find V. N equals to how many years? Here 3 years. Now you use the formula. So from, now it is clear or not? 1 minus R upon 100 whole to the power N. So V equals to V naught 24. R is 5 upon 100 whole to the power 3. Simplify. 5 1 ja 520. When you will simplify, this is 1 minus 1 upon 20, that is 20 minus 1 upon 20 whole to the power 3. That is equals to 19 upon 20 whole to the power 3. So 24,000 into 19 into 19 into 19. Cube means power 3 means that thing will be multiplied 3 times. So 20 into 20 into 20. So all zeros will cancel to this. So you simplify this. I am doing here. So it is equals to 361 into 19 into 24 divided by 8. So it is 20577. This we will write in rupees because this is the cost. Now here in the question it has been asked, calculate the value. So value after 3 years. Suppose like the fourth question here it is asked, find out the total depreciation. जैसे fourth question में पूछा गया है, if it is asked that what is the total depreciation? In this question it is not asked, but suppose if it is asked like the fourth question, so what is the total depreciation? Total depreciation that will be equals to 24,000 minus 2577. So here I am subtracting. So this comes out rupee 3423. It's clear? Now I will do one more question here. Question number 10. All questions are very simple. Question number 10. The value of the machine worth rupees, here 5 lakh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yes. Worth rupees 5 lakh. This is the value of machine. Depreciating means you will use the formula of minus at the rate of 10% every year. In how many years will the value be reduced to 364500? 364500 means in the question it is asked that in how many years this value will depreciate from this to this at this rate. कितने साल में ये वैल्यू डिप्रिसिएट होके इतनी हो जाएगी in with this rate. It's clear? So see here which value comes earlier? So this comes earlier. It is very obvious because this is depreciating. So in the beginning value is this. It's clear? Let after any year it becomes this. You have to determine. And so V equals to V naught 1 minus R upon 100 whole to the power n. You substitute 3, 6, 4, 5. This is 1 minus R is how much? 10 upon 100 whole to the power n. So this will be cancelled. Here you can cancel 2 zeros. It's clear. Now you bring in this side. 3, 6, 4, 5 upon 5,000. When you will simplify here 10 minus 1 upon 10 whole to the power n. That is 9 upon 10 whole to the power n. It's clear. Now you cancel it by 1, 5. So it is 1000 and this is 5 7 ja 35 1, 5 2 ja 5 9 ja. So it is 729. Whole to the power n. So as already I have told in the previous exercise, when the question is like this and you have to find the n is in the power. So we will write left hand side in the power form in such a way that the base is 9 upon 10. इसको पावर फॉर्म में ऐसा लिखेंगे so that the base is 9 upon 10. Now all of you learn the squares of numbers from 1 to 35. 1 से 35 तक जितने भी नंबर्स हैं उनके स्क्वायर्स हमको याद होने चाहिए. In the same way you learn the cubes of numbers from 1 to 12. 1 to 12 you learn. So as we know that 729, it is 9 into 9 into 9. 9 cube equals to 729. 1000 you already know it is 10. So it will be equal to 9 into 9 into 9. You have to write this thing as this as base. Means 729 हमको 9 की powers में लिखना. So as we know that when we multiply 9 3 times we get 729. 10 into 10 into 10. So it is 9 upon 10 whole to the power 3. 9 upon 10 whole to the power. On comparing n equals to 3 years. On comparing n equals to 3 years. So this way you can find the number of years. Question number 12 that I will not do here. What is the difference? Mahindra set up a factory by investing 25 lakh. During the first 2 years, its profit were 5% and 10%. Means instead of having the same rate of profit, there is the different rate. If each year the profit was on the previous year's capital, calculate its total profit. So you will use this formula. V equals to V naught 1 plus R1 upon 100, 1 plus R2 upon 100. It's clear. Here V naught is given how much? 25 lakh. It's clear. V you will find out. So what will be the total profit? Total profit will be equal to V minus V naught. Total profit will be equal to V minus V naught. Now question number 14. This I will do. Now all of you see question number 14. Mr. Durrani bought a plot of land for rupees 1,80,000. Means plot he has purchased at rupees 1,80,000. It's clear. And a car rupees 3,20,000. This. At the same time, the value of the plot of land grows. Means it is growing. It is growth. And grows uniformly at the rate is given 30%. While the value of the car depreciates, here it depreciates 20% in the first year, 20% in the first year, and and by 15% thereafter. After that 15%, then 15%.
It's clear.
If he sells the plot and land as plot of the land as well as car after 3 years, what will be his profit or loss? After 3 years, he sells to both. So what will be his profit or loss? So what is the total CP? First you find out the total CP. Total CP will be equals to 1,80,000 plus 3,20,000. So it will be equal to 5 lakh. Yes. It will be equal to rupees 5 lakh. Now in order to find total SP, first you find the value of plot after 3 years. Value of plot after 3 years. Means the beginning value will be this, means this will be equal to V naught, and you have to determine V here. So what will be V here? V naught. Here you will use the formula of plus. Why you will use formula of plus? Because it is growing. So it is equal to 1 plus R each whole to the power 3. You cancel this and simplify. One plus 3 upon 10, that is equals to 13 upon 10 whole to the power 3. So here I am doing by calculator. So this comes out 395,460. This is the value of plot after 3 years. Then we will find out the value of car. Value of car after 3 years. So here it is depreciating and rate is also different for different years. So what is V? V naught. Here also V naught is given and you have to find after 3 years, means this is V naught. So 1 minus R1 upon 100, 1 minus R2 upon 100 and 1 minus R3 upon 100. Substitute the value. So 1 minus 20 upon 100. Upon 100. So calculate this. When you will calculate, I am doing directly here. Into 80 upon 100 into 85 upon 100. So here there are 6 zeros and here in numerator there are only 5 zeros. So 415. Now you can simplify it. So it is rupees 184,960. This. So what is the total SP? SP equals to total value of both after 3 years. So it will be equal to 395,460 plus 184,960. So it comes out rupees 580420. So you can see a total SP is this and total CP is only 5 lakh. So here SP is more than CP, therefore there will be profit. So you write, since SP is more than CP, therefore there will be profit. And what will be the profit? Profit equals to SP minus CP. So when you will substitute, it will come out 80420. So this way, this chapter of compound interest has finished. Now if you have any problem, then you mention in the comment box that this question number. It's clear? So